Dear fellow marketer. Love it or loathe it, YouTube is here to stay. The smart marketers among us realized immediately that it was going to be a rich source of traffic, if only it could be tamed and used to our advantage. Search YouTube for any marketing guru's name, and you'll find at least one short information video. That's because top marketers include YouTube in their arsenal of free traffic driving secrets. And it's one that no serious marketer can afford to ignore. Sure, it's okay for me to say that, but if you've never put a video on YouTube before, how do you go about using it as a traffic driving tool? Surely everyone and their dog is trying to do the same thing? Well, yes, they are, but we're going to show you how to level the playing field and have your videos drive targeted traffic back to your websites, just as well as any internet marketing guru. With hundreds of thousands of new websites popping up every day, and all of them competing for traffic, it's necessary to utilize every possible way of grabbing your share that you possibly can. But despite YouTube being one of the key ways that many gurus drive traffic to their sites, few marketers actually use this method when it comes to pushing targeted traffic to their sites. And that's where YouTube Traffic Tactics comes in. We'll show you how to get people to your sites, affiliate links and payment buttons by submitting simple taster videos to YouTube. These simple but deadly effective techniques can be used by anyone to get more visitors to their sites than they currently have. We'll show you how to learn from your competitors without them knowing, how to borrow some of the traffic that hits YouTube every single day, the reverse engineering trick that can boost your sales, how to use the YouTube search engine to help your own business, what information you should give away with your videos, and what you definitely should not, the secret of free traffic from YouTube, how to start using YouTube even if you've never done it before, and much more. Find the link in the description below and subscribe.